Hey everyone, Andrew here from Cable Bullet. I'd like to take a minute to tell you a bit about our signature midnight tensioners. These tensioners are made from 6061 T6 hardened aluminum. We like to say they're as light as air and as hard as steel. Each tensioner is finished with a black anodized hard coat, which is twice as thick as standard powder coat and up to 100 times more durable than most chemical finishes used on aluminum parts. This gives each tensioner a consistent, deep black color that holds up really nicely over time. It's also highly scratch and corrosion resistant. Even though they are lighter than our stainless steel tensioners, the black coating gives them the same hardness and safety, all while creating a unique and elegant look. If you have any questions or would like to request a sample, feel free to give us a call. Our customer support team would love to help you start your project.